Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm just really excited. I wanted to show just really quick before we get into anything else. I made an order with Lisa Fisher's Paper Lace and Bling, and I'll have her link down in the description below. But she is an Etsy shop, and I know that Terry recently did a video of hers, and then I think Gail Agostinelli also did a recent video of hers. But she's a great shop, and she has beautiful things, and for a really good price, like affordable. And my opinion is, you know, if you can order, you know, from like little personal owned shops instead of, you know, I order so much from Walmart and like major places. If I can. I love this wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, just the wrapping paper is gorgeous. Let me try to, I'm going to try to be careful and delicate on my opening of this because I want to keep the wrapping paper. It's beautiful. So yes, I made an order, and yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff, and I had to maybe have only spent maybe $35. I think that included shipping. I think I have my thing here. Let's see. No, it doesn't say. But yes, so I ordered some things for the romance journal. I ordered some other things that will be used for later projects. She also has a YouTube. She does like mini albums and mixed media. She does gorgeous work, beautiful work. Come on, I just want to salvage as much of this as I can, if I can. Come on. There we go. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, so we have these. Oh my goodness. This looks like maybe a little extras. We'll get into that later. So I got this lace. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this color. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And I think a lot of these you could order by the yard, and I ordered just a yard of kind of little samples of. So this will probably get used in the Parish Journal most likely. It's a little cream. This I ordered for the Romance Journal. Isn't that beautiful? Pink flowery lace. I got this for the Romance Journal as well because it's blue and it's gorgeous. So trims. I loved this like embroidered trim. These like flowers. Oh, they're super cute. Okay, more trim. I ordered a lot of trim. Trims and ribbons. These are like little closures. They're like little spinny closures, so you put them on something, right? They come with like a brad. See? And then they slide. So you could slide something closed, and then you could slide it open, and then you could like open the thing. So I ordered a few of those. This awesome train trim, which I love. Yes, I ordered some of that. I had to. This, I think a lot of this is like vintage too, if I remember. Gorgeous trim. More trim. I ordered lots of trim. I love trim though. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, so delicate. It will look great layered with lace and all kinds of things. Okay. I also ordered some pink flat back pearls. I thought they were gorgeous. So I ordered some of those. And then I ordered some paper, which hopefully I looked in the mailbox and they had like folded up the package into the mailbox. So I'm hoping it didn't do too much damage. Sometimes the mail people, let's saved this beautiful wrapping paper, which I love. It's gorgeous. Look at these little pieces that could be cut out and put into journal. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is exciting. These are beautiful. These were like wrapping papers. And then I, you know, she had messaged me. She was like, you know, I have some Christmas, but, you know, I don't know. Maybe you might not want, you know, Christmas, which I thought was really thoughtful of her. You know, a lot of people were just sent the Christmas. But I said, no, I want Christmas. I'm kind of lacking in Christmas. I don't have a lot. So I'm kind of, you know, collecting it for when Christmas, because Christmas will come. So we're already at like 6 months or something. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is gorgeous. We have, these are pretty. So, wrapping paper, more beautiful Christmas. Oh, I love this one with the birds. So cute. Yes, yes, because I am lacking in Christmas. I don't have a lot of Christmas stuff. I'm sure by the end, you know, by this year or the next year, I'll have so much. Isn't that how it is? You get so much. Look at that. That's beautiful. Even like cut out like just even individual squares. That's really cool. Oh, okay. I have a bunch of baby stuff too. So this is great because I'll add that to that, because I'm going to do a whole baby album or journal at some point. I love the textures and feels of these papers. It's great. Some fancy gold. Awesome. Penguins. Happy holidays. Very cute. Wow, lots of wrapping paper. How awesome. Pretty, like elk and sleigh. Ooh, I love this. This is pretty. Yes, I ordered like a wrapping paper scrap pack, so like that's what this is. Oh, I love this. Oh, this might even go in the romance journal. It's got like hearts and stuff with the doves. It's very wedding-y. This is pretty. Ooh, thin. Another thin one. Yes. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm very pleased. So I'll be making multiple purchases from her shop. Quite affordable, and she has beautiful things. Beautiful laces and trims. I love this. This like vintage like Christmas paper. This is great. It reminds me of a child, being a child. This is pretty too. It looks like tapestry material or something. So that is, oh, and then let's look at our little extras that we got. So I think that's what this is. I got a little bag of extras. I can open it. My hands are not, I've been tea dyeing. Lots of tea dyeing. Tea dyeing and coffee dyeing. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this little trim. This is so cute. It's like stretchy. Some little pink lace. And a tag. Maybe one could like make a tag using the little thingies. I don't know. We'll put this aside and we will play with that and see. I think I'll keep them in this little bag and maybe we'll do something with that. That's kind of fun. And then, oh yeah, one more thing really quick is the package. So the package that it was sent in was one of these, you know, Amazon. She like recycled one of these Amazon bubble mailers. But look at what she drew on it. Oh, I love all the little personal touches and stuff. So yeah, great shop. I love it. I'll put the link to the description below, or I'll put the link in the description below. And then we'll come back and we'll work on what we were going to work on today. So bye.